Yeah, I'm Yasmina Ksikes, Moroccan chef here in LA, and we had a beautiful, beautiful class today of making a basic knowledge of Moroccan tagine. We did the preserved lemon Moroccan tagine. Do turmeric, we're gonna do powdered ginger, we're gonna do pepper, and then we add the preserved lemon. And then we're gonna rub it in the chicken, and then it starts to cook. We also did an eggplant caviar.
That's the thing with eggplants, they take a lot of oil.
They do, but it makes us happy. And so when we're happy, it's all good, then our health is amazing. And then we look good and feel great. More oil. That we all cook together and dive into the introduction of Moroccan flavors. So in Morocco, bread is the extension to our fingers. So we tend to eat, forks and knives are not necessary often, but we put them. So first we'll reveal. This is how we go. So growing up, my whole life, our lunches were like this. We had a little salad, and we had the tagine, and then we barely had plates. We would put the tagine and we'd gather all around it. And sometimes even when my dad's friends would show up, like strangers and anybody would just feel the trust to break bread and to put your fingers in the sauce. Everybody washes their hands, and this is how it goes. So you try with your bread, and then you're like, okay, I'm cool. But feel free to scoop your chicken in your plate, your spoons, enjoy the flavors, taste what you made. And if you want to eat from the tagine, you eat. So we cook in the tagine, we serve in the tagine, and we also store in the tagine. So very little waste, technically, of dishes. بالصحة. Bon appétit. I'm gonna get another chair. Be right back. I think we're going to find out. They're going to dive into the flavors. I want to be there and see their faces, because a lot of them have not tasted that palette of flavors. So it's always interesting when people taste it for the first time, or if it reminds them of something. And I love that feeling, you know? So it's always really fun sharing with a new group of people and seeing what, you know, it does. Yeah.